Hello and welcome to Marinsky March 2023, where every day in March we make a sausage recipe out of one of Adam and Stanley Marinsky's books. Last year we did home production of quality meats and sausage, which I think is one of the best sausage books out there still. It gives you the how and why behind what you're doing in sausage making. But this year we're doing recipes out of the new book, 1001 Greatest Sausage Recipes, which is a gift to us sausage makers and meat enthusiasts. Adam and Stan have traveled across Europe and North America for the last 20 years compiling recipes, and they put it all into this jumbo book. What's even better is Stanley has sent me 5 copies to give away to you guys over the course of the month, and all you got to do to get qualified is leave a comment in the videos and I'll find you and I'll send you a copy if you're one of the lucky winners. So, without any further ado, let's get into 1001 Greatest Sausage Recipes by Adam and Stanley Marinsky. Welcome to the Rheinische Bratwurst episode of Marinsky March. A quick, easy one. It's a fresh sausage from Germany. So if you're a beginner sausage maker, fresh sausages are the way to go. They're just basically a combination of your favorite flavors into ground meat, into casings that are usually very yummy. And the Rheinische Bratwurst is on page 87 of 1001 Greatest Sausage Recipes by Stanley Marinsky. Rheinische Bratwurst, Rheinische Bratwurst is listed 2.221.12 in the German government publication Guide to Meats and Meat Products. Bratwurst sausage originally from Rhein, the town in the district of Steinfurt in Westphalia, Germany. So this sausage, I guess, is originally from that part of Germany. It's got some nice little spices in there. I always like making a fresh sausage. They're always fun to grill up and exciting to bite into to get the new flavors. This one's got a little bit of lemon. It's got an egg as binder and some other typical kind of bratwurst seasonings you see in bratwurst. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 kilograms of some pork butt that I got chopped up and semi-froze, ready to go through the grinder, on a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter plate. So we'll do that right now. Okay, so there's our pork butt, ready to go. Still quite froze. And I'm doing a double batch because I got a feeling these ones are going to be good. We're doing 2 kilos. And we're just running it through once. Here we go. Meat goes through your grinder so much easier when it's nice and semi-frozen. Okay, there's the end of it. Our beautiful looking pork. There we go, this soon will be sausage. I'll set our farm-raised brown egg aside. And we'll sprinkle on a little bit of lemon zest in there. Lemon looks good, smells good. I like lemon in a fresh pork sausage. It's in my Weisswurst recipe. It's just really good for some reason. No water, it doesn't say to add any water, so mix that in. Pretty unique smelling. Cardamom, mace, ginger, lemon, egg, white pepper, salt. That's kind of what's in a Rheinische Bratwurst. Add a little more protein. No shells. Oh, I doubled the batch. I need 2 eggs, not just 1. I'll be back. Thank you, chicken. All right, now I'm going to mix for 2 to 3 to 4 minutes until it's really sticky. Now, when you don't add binders and you have citrus things, citrus usually adds a little acidity to something. You got to mix a little extra good so you get protein extraction, even though it does say in the instructions to fill loosely into our sausage casings, because we want to have a nice kind of snap to our brat. Looks like enough mixing to me. It's sticking real good now, so we'll get it loaded into this Marinsky March's sausage stuffer and then stuff it into some 2932s. Here comes the Rheinische Bratwurst. Get you a new angle. All right, here comes the Rheinische Bratwurst and a new camera angle. I'm not filling this one overly tight because it says not to. Oh no! The camera fell. There we go. Carry on. Oof. There we go. 2 kilos of brats. Look at that. Yummy. Time to twist us some links. I'm gonna pop them in the refrigerator. I'm gonna taste them tomorrow. It's gonna be my breakfast. I'm gonna eat breakfast with you guys tomorrow. How about that? See ya tomorrow for breakfast. Time for a little bratwurst breakfast. See if we can get the sizzle in there. Yeah. Okay, looks like we got some yummy brats ready to sample. All right, looking forward to diving into this. I love me a brat, so here goes the Rheinische Bratwurst. Ooh, looks good. Man, that's a good brat recipe. That's very, very yummy. I like the coarse textured sausage. If I was to make that for myself, I wouldn't change the spices, I wouldn't change any of that. But I'd go half coarse, half fine. Because there is just a little bit of spaces between the coarser chunks, the coarser grind there. But the flavor is awesome. Nice juicy pork. You want to see how juicy it is? Look at that. Came just off the grill. Yeah, drippage. It's dripping down the backside of the spoon. You can't see it. It's very good, guys. I don't know what to tell you. The Rheinische Bratwurst gets a thumbs up for me in the fresh sausage category. This would be a big hit at the tailgate party, or the barbecue, or the birthday party. Whatever you're doing. Supper, pierogies, sauerkraut, baked in the oven. Oh, well, guys, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And tomorrow we're going to do another episode of Marinsky March.